gown?
Well, this one, no, but I love it so much. For my finals and prelims, it was me, my team, and Rian who also, I mean, we approached Rian with ideas with pics, and then of course he adds his magic into it. For example, for prelims, his idea was the tent, and the mermaid aesthetic. And then for the finals, actually, I'm gonna give you guys a scoop. It was supposed to be just plain white, my gown. But then, biglang nung nag-fitting kami, sinurprise ako ni Rian. Sabi niya, "Do you like the gown?" Sabi ko, "Yes, it's beautiful." Sabi niya, "Okay, kasi I have a second one." So doon nilabas na niya yung sinuot ko ng finals. Detail, the feathers, so I was so taken by it. As soon as I wore the gown, I felt like, sabi ko talaga sa team ko, kinakausap ako ng gown.
Ay, correct.
So it felt like the right choice.
So having said that, no regrets at all.
Regrets. I was telling my friends, my sisters from the pageant, even though it wasn't, it wasn't the turnout that I was expecting during coronation, finals night, I have no regrets. I feel like I was a winner in my own way because I really just wanted to come back from how everybody knew me in 2020, and I wanted to prove that I have so much growth, and I feel like my performance was exactly that.
Correct. Correct.
No regrets. I'm so happy.
Rela, have you spoken with Denise or?
I actually haven't yet. I've been so busy, but I will be calling her soon. And she's also been busy. I invited her to the finals night, but she was out of the country, unfortunately. But I know that she's always been so supportive from the beginning. Actually, since I was a child, they've always been like, "Oh, follow Tita Marjie's footsteps." So here I am, not exactly the same pageant, but I'm excited to conquer the cosmos in my life.
Feeling ko dami nating lilipad sa Cosmodis na. Diba? Gano'n ka kalakas sa amin. Yes,
I
promise.
love you guys so much. Thank you for being so supportive.
Your
All
parents
your
were
thank you.
Yeah, they were
My
there.
parents, oh my God, sobrang saya nila, especially even my brother. I mean, they all knew that I was eyeing Cosmo, so I think everybody was just really praying so much that I would be blessed to run around. And here I am, oh my God.
We're so happy. As in, kanina naluha kami, no you.
Even the ballerinas, we have a group chat, the ballerinas. It's blowing up, they're so happy. I love you, ballerinas.
Will you continue to train after the camp? Even if you're...
I mean, yes, I think with the guidance, of course, of Venus Philippines, I would love to continue with my mamas. They have been there for me since the very beginning, and I am a Leo, and we are known to be very loyal.
Oh, Leo.
So, fun fact, so I feel like when somebody believes in you from the very beginning, it makes sense that you
Loyalty.
because my growth is because of them.
Correct.
Definitely.
Kanina you had a little moment with Yudina for an impromptu photo shoot with the Cosmo team. Here's to ask, what did you guys talk about in that very brief moment?